How to update tracking number in Shopify mobile. To update the tracking number in the Shopify mobile app, start by opening the app on your iPhone or Android device. Go to the Orders tab and select the order you want to update. Once you're in the order details, scroll down and tap Mark as fulfilled if the order hasn't been fulfilled yet, or tap Fulfillment Details if it's already been fulfilled. Then look for the section labeled Tracking Information or Tracking Number. Enter the new tracking number and if needed, choose the correct shipping carrier from the list provided. You can also check the box to notify the customer so they receive an update via email. Finally, tap Save or Fulfill Items to apply the changes. The updated tracking info will now be visible to both you and the customer, keeping your shipping process clear and organized. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.